Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in as a site or how to create the checkpoint and security guard inside the site. So first we have to use a login. We have to if we want to create any security guard or checkpoint, we have to log in from here as a admin. Then we open the site account. If we want to view the site report, all those things, then we log in as a site. First we see here, I go to here, I log into as a admin account, login. So we have our site here. I can open directly from here, or I can just go to manage site and click the open from here. So we have enter in the site dashboard. I can go to, if I want to create the checkpoint tags, I can go to the manage tag. If I want to create the guard, I can go to the guard detail. I want to check the report for this site, I can go to the report. If I want to create a schedule, I can go to the schedule, defect, event, all we can create here. Any SOS button or SOS number we can add from here. So first I create the tag. How to create the tag? So we give here name, any of the name, any of the QR code, so once I add the number, I just click anywhere outside, so this QR code will added. I just click the save button, so my one checkpoint is added. I click here, checkpoint 2, any of the name. Once I click here, this will change automatically. Click the save, so we have 2 checkpoints. Any number, I can directly click the save, so it will automatically generate the new one and save for me. So same thing, so we create anyone, click the save. So now we have the 4 number of checkpoints. So these checkpoints you can print from here and place on the building, place on the factory where you want to guard will go and scan the checkpoint with the mobile phone. You can print one by one or you can delete. You want to modify the name of checkpoint, you just go here view, so you can modify the name from here. Or you want to print all checkpoint, just go to print all, so you can just print all the checkpoint in the paper. After this, cut this checkpoint and laminate it as a you want. So any raining season or something, anything is nothing effect to the checkpoint. So once you laminate, you can place with the glue or something on the wall of the building, wall of the factory where you want to be guard tour by his phone, so you can monitor the live detail of the guard. So this is how you manage the checkpoint. So we just go to guard detail. So now we don't have any security guard, we just go here, add new. Just give any, you can give the security guard name, I just give here. Any of phone number, country, email address, username and password. This you can select the role is guard or guard head. Both are same, just only one additional feature with the guard head. Guard head you can decide this shift head means morning shift guard, this is the head. Evening shift guard, this is the head. That guard can take the attendance for the other guards. I just make Mr. Ram to be as a guard head and I save here, done. So I will create the new, any of the number, email, address, or this one I just select as a normal guard. Save. So we have two guard now. Okay, so if you want to see the detail, you can just go to here. You can see the guard detail. You want to edit anything, you just go to edit. You can edit the guard detail whichever you want. After this, you can edit from here any of the guard. So this is the guard head, this one is the guard. So guard, you remember, only can log in through the mobile app, which your guard have to download from here. So this mobile app login by guard and supervisor only. So once you create the guard, then we go to the event. Like as when your guard is walking for the guard tour, when he doing the tour, so he sees something on the way, like I hear to open. Car not lock. Water on the floor. Okay, or street light on. Whichever event you can trigger as your company, you can just add. So when your guard login, they can see all the events. So when they are walking on the way to doing their work, so they can check whichever event is happening that time. After this, we go to defect. We can create the defect here. So like this, how many fault you can create? You can create according to your building. Okay. After this, we go to the schedule. Schedule is the thing when your guard go for the tour. So you can add a single schedule by time. Like I can show you here, 9 to until 10 o'clock. We save. So we have 9 to until 10 o'clock schedule. Then we create here from 2 o'clock to until 3 o'clock. Guard have to finish the tour. Save. So we have here these two schedule. But if you don't want to create one by one, you want to create one shot for the whole 24-hour, then I just delete this one simply. So just go to batch add schedule. I put here start time to end time 23:59, break time 0, tour plan time I put here 120 minutes every 2 hours. I save, press OK. So system will automatically create for me every 2 hour schedule. 12 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, all is here. So when your guard log in as a guard, so he can see all this schedule and he can follow the schedule and go for the tour. Now finally we add the SOS button. When your guard want to be call someone in any emergency situation, so you can add how many SOS button, so you can add here. Another feature in the mobile app, your guard can just press the button, is all the guard will alert with SOS. So this all thing you can do when you log in as a admin and you open the site. So in this video we cover the site, how we creating the project. Now final step, just you have to go to the tag, print this tag, print all from here, print this tag, laminate it all the tag and place on the place where you want to tour by the guard. So in the next video I will show you how to log in as a guard in the mobile phone app. Thanks for watching.